How to Destroy Your Ham Radio Club and Make It as Unappealing as Possible by Andy, KB1UIF. A list of things to turn people away from your club and never return. Don't answer any emails that a new prospective member sends. Even if a new member asks if you got their email, say something like, "You'll take a look," but never actually do it. On the same note, never check your spam folder, it could be in there. If you do reply, don't use a salutation. Also, don't close your email with "kind regards" or similar. Use an unfriendly tone so that the member will stop emailing in the future. If there is some email back and forth with a member, just stop answering them at some point. If the member tries to re-establish contact, keep ghosting them. Basically, just be bad at communication and try to come across as unfriendly as possible. Have the same people on the board for years, and all of them have to be 70 plus. Start all meetings at least 30 minutes late. Bonus points if the presenter is late and needs extra time to figure out how to hook up their computer to the projector. Only have one club meeting per month. Other activities are useless. Don't give members an easy way to communicate with each other outside of club meetings. Ignore any ideas from new members, especially if they try to make the club more appealing. Don't organise any events or activities besides Field Day and Winter Field Day. Only share minimal information on Field Day organisation and preparations. Make it as hard as possible for new members to join in events. Don't have presentations. Turn away the younger generation, only accept 65 or older. Have a very outdated website, minimum 2 years old. Remove all contact information from the club website. So seriously now, how can we improve our club? Action points. Appoint a communication officer as a main contact, probably the secretary. Standard replies to new inquiries. Have presentations. Have training sessions. Post club repeater information on the website. Post meeting location and times on the club website. Post member lists on the website, not phone numbers, maybe email addresses. Post club fees on the website. Give your call out on the repeater once or twice a day. Update the website. Post meeting minutes on the club website. Post club repeater information on the website. Link to useful YouTube videos or YouTube channels on the website. Have help training sessions for hams wanting to upgrade. CW Morse code training sessions. What are your thoughts and ideas? Let's hear them. Thank you for watching.